Alright, well you see, here, let's catch the viewers up.
Yeah, you guys have missed about 30 minutes.
Yeah, so we're kind of stranded. Anyways, no, that's going to be your power steering pulley. Can we see that bearing that's just shredded in there?
Really are on that vlog life.
Oh, I know. I look like such a douchebag right now. I bet you do.
We bought a BMW from this man right here. So
Let me get some lighting in here. This like sucks.
What's up? Hope y'all like the 335. I hope it treats you as well as it treated me. Which is to say, you had to put in a decent bit of money once a month. I'm just kidding. But no, I think y'all will love it for sure. I'm excited to see what y'all do with it. I'll definitely be in the comment section.
Oh yeah, we got big plans for it.
yeah, we got a lot of plans for it. We did just fly out to Dallas, which is where we are now. So we're road tripping back home. Yeah, 12-hour drive ahead of us. Hold on, starting this road trip at 6:09. Road trip.
That's mine.
Wow.
Oops. Hello. We are on the road back to the good old ATL. We picked up this car in Texas, so we have a solid 12-hour drive ahead of us. We got 3 hours done last night. We're doing the rest of the 9 today. So far, pretty good with the car. It's got a few minor things here and there, and the exterior is kind of clapped out, not gonna lie.
Clapped out or worn out?
Okay, worn out, not clapped out, because it's not like falling apart, but it definitely does not look the best.
Yeah, so the front bumper is clapped out, I can say that.
Yeah.
But the rest of it's getting wrapped, let's just say that. Other than that, the rear suspension is pretty much not there. So every time we hit a bump, it like jerks violently.
It's bad.
Yeah.
Like it's gotten worse.
Yeah, but other than that, I mean, the car rides fine, it pulls fine. The sound system in here, fan-friggin-tastic. Do you know what it's called?
I don't know the brand. I know
It's not the upgraded. Didn't they use Harman Kardon?
I think so. It's the premium 7-speaker.
Yeah, regardless, it sounds amazing. So, yeah. This is just a road trip intro. That's all I have to say. Y'all have anything else to say?
Did we say what kind of car it was?
Oh, yeah, it's a 2007 BMW. All right, preface.
I mean, if you couldn't tell by the intro or by the title now, like...
Yeah, I just woke up. Give me a break. But it's a 2007 BMW 335i. It's pretty much all stock.
Yeah, like...
It's got like charge pipes or downpipes. No, it doesn't have downpipes. Charge pipes. Still waking up. Give me a minute.
No tune,
but
stock boost levels and everything.
Yeah, it's a good running car, so yeah, it does rip.
Stock.
And it sounds glorious. It's got a little blow-off valve that does sound amazing.
Yeah, it's got an HKS on it.
Yeah. So,
I don't know if it's a real HKS, but it says HKS.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're just rambling now, but we'll check in after we get a few hours under our belt, but we are on the road. All right, 3 hours into our 12-hour drive. We just had a voltage light come on, so this could be interesting. Stay tuned. Well, guys, we've hit a snag. We have
Brake, ABS, traction control.
and the battery light, so hopefully we have a Walmart on this exit, and then we'll just pick up a new battery. That's gonna be like $8,000.
Alright, well you see, here, let's get the viewers up. Yeah, so we're kind of stranded, because, you know, yeah, what do you say? Was flopping around?
ICV valves? No, something in the
Tank vent valve.
tank vent valves,
Yeah,
which made the clatter.
No, that's going to be your power steering pulley. Can we see that bearing that's just shredded in there? Well, there is no bearing in there anymore.
The ball bearings are down here somewhere.
I see, yeah.
There's one ball bearing.
We're in the middle of Monroe, Louisiana.
Yeah, so we're in the middle
Nowhere.
of
Not even like
nowhere.
downtown Monroe. We're on like the outskirts. There's a Sonic right there.
There is a Sonic and a Family Dollar right there. Yeah, and these guys are just not helpful at all.
No, bro.
Ah! Alright, 50. Ah! Get in 52.
Okay.
Bro, I gotta go deal with this guy again?
We gotta find what? I don't know what to do.
Alright, so catching all up mechanically. So yeah, as he said, hey, look at that. That's gonna tight. This is what's happening in Monroe, Louisiana. Like you said, the bearing went out, so that came off. Our goal is to get a serpentine belt that fits around everything except the power steering. Which theoretically should have been a 54, but the 52 is probably gonna need, it's gonna be. We probably could have done a 53 and it would have been all right. I'd rather go a little bit tight into a 52. We can have that tensioner pulled a little tight for the time being. Until we can at least get a... I think it's funny how I asked that one guy, I was like, hey, like we need a 54-inch belt because we're not running power steering. And he's like, I have no way of looking that up. Like, okay, well, you can look at the belts.
And they say a size on
And they do. And you can belt number like 3 or 4. And we're trying. We're really out here trying.
I swear this belt looks bigger than the other one we just had.
It does. It looks like so much bigger, even though we asked for a smaller one.
Yeah. Alright. Belt number 5. Yeah, we just screw whoever works in here. We're just going across to the O'Reillys. They actually know what the fudge they're doing.
Alright, I think
yeah, so we're just gonna wrap this up. We're gonna give Quinn some good thoughts because he looks like he's in a lot of pain right now.
dude, this is like cutting every inch of my arm.
Look, I put my hand under there one time.
Yeah, and to keep in mind, it's also like freaking hot because we just drove it for 3 hours.
It's hot and it's dirty and it's just nasty. It's not. It's been such a fun project car so far. We've only owned it for a little over like 12 hours, but yeah, and we're gonna get this going. Hopefully, get on the road without power steering and yeah.
It's not squealing or anything.
Surprisingly, I think, knock on Josh, we have like 2 millimeters of clearance between that just sheared metal and our belt moving. But I'm gonna go into my tool. Yeah, go.
See if you can get the 7 spline.
See if they have 7 spline. If they don't, it'll be okay.
Wait, you want to give it some revs?
Yeah, I'll go.
So smooth. So smooth. I think we're good. Oh. No way did we just fix that. How?
I'm genuinely.
We bought the mechanic set of tools for like $150. $15 belt. Rerouted it. We have alternator.
A 7 spline would definitely be ideal. Why is this oil filter lifted?
I don't know if I see
it's not leaking.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's leaking, but it's not leaking. So we'll be okay. How? Literally how?
I don't know. Let's take it easy, but alright, let's get everything buttoned up.
Yeah. Back on the road though. We'll be out here doing this. That's like the maddest I've ever been at an AutoZone.
Just period. Just the lack of knowledge and what's going on is baffling.
They just don't. The issue is people come in expecting AutoZone employees to be mechanics.
Yeah, but they're not.
They're not. They're literally just. They're no different than the kid that works at Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, there was one dude that knew what he was talking about, and he was like barely in the shop, so we had to deal with these 2 other schmucks.
Cool. But you know that guy that knew what he was talking about? He's definitely been something before. He's worked on a couple cars in his day. That is all moisture because of that right there.
It's just dripping in through the top.
And Erica and Smiley can. But what we're dealing with right now.
It's been like this for probably 40 minutes now.
Yeah, so we don't have any AC or heat, so the windshield and all the windows are fogging up. So I'm having to focus on this one little yellow line. That's the only thing keeping me straight right now.
This mode. This
see if that does anything.
But yeah, that's what we're dealing with. We can't see anything.
So we got 5 hours left. My lord.
It's supposed to be like this for like 5 hours.
Yeah, for the rest of the time.
All right, we are at a Alabama rest stop. Our little power steering reroute belt kit thingy worked.
Yeah.
For the most part, we haven't had any other issues with the car. The sunroof, however, is leaking, as you saw earlier. Water is pouring in around this area and again on the other side. Other than that,
And wait, you'd think the car is lowered.
you would think it's lowered.
Nah, it's just collapsed. There's a difference.
I think we'll make it home. We'll be fine. We'll update you guys when we get back. As you can see, we got our... Slammed it on his knee.
I couldn't. It stuck, and then it didn't stick.
Oh, that was so painful.
Sorry, folks.
All right.
Waiting for Patrick.
I don't know how we're alive.
I actually don't know how we are.
That was the sketchiest 12-hour road trip that I've ever been a part of.
We'll show you guys the tires when we get digging into this car, but when it's downpouring and you have no suspension and the whole thing's bobbing.
Yeah, so
No brakes, no suspension.
Power steering goes out.
Yeah, power steering goes out.
oh, what was that? I think I saw something fly. In the back. Oh, it's fine.
10 minutes later, oh, here's your battery warning.
Battery light.
We made it. Car's home safe.
Yeah, car is home safe. We have a lot planned for this car, so stay tuned. Make sure to do all that YouTube stuff. Thank you for watching. And when it comes to building your car, build it. Don't buy it. See you guys.
See you next week.